Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a thermostat. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Gather your tools, including a socket set, pliers, and a drain pan. You will also need a new thermostat and gasket. Begin by draining about 1/3 of the coolant from your radiator into the pan. This prevents spills when you remove the housing. Safety first, always. Next, locate the thermostat housing, typically found where the upper radiator hose connects to the engine. Use your pliers to loosen the hose clamp, then carefully disconnect the upper radiator hose. Be prepared for a small amount of coolant to spill. Now, use your socket wrench to remove the 2 or 3 bolts holding the thermostat housing in place. Gently pry the housing off and remove the old thermostat and gasket. Before installing the new thermostat, take a moment to clean both the engine and housing mating surfaces. This ensures a proper seal and prevents leaks. Now, insert your new thermostat, making sure the spring side faces into the engine. Place the new gasket, then carefully reattach the housing, tightening the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, reconnect the upper radiator hose and secure its clamp firmly. With the new thermostat in place, it's time to refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant mixture. Slowly add coolant, allowing any air to escape. You may need to run the engine with the heater on to fully bleed the system. Also, remember to check the description for a link to great deals on reading devices and other helpful tools. Once refilled, start your engine, watch for any leaks, and ensure the temperature gauge operates normally. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.